everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. With all my love, I'm giving you this love in the holiday season. And right now, I'm going to read my scriptures to start with. So today, I'm going to take it. Let me see. Well, I think I've had these ones, but I'm encouraged that I need to do another one. Okay, here's one. Says, this is taken from Matthew 6 and 15. But if you do not forgive others their sin, your Father will not forgive your sins. But if you do not forgive others their sins, your Father will not forgive your sins. Matthew 6 and 15. Okay, I'm coming to you today with this. These are collard greens that I have picked, washed in 3 bunches of beautiful collard greens. And I'm fixing to get ready to start washing the collard greens right now. And so now I'm getting ready to get to washing them so I can prepare to put them on to be cooked. So this is where I'm staying. But anyway, I hope you will like the way I wash them because they're very clean and they're very nice. Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, this is the 5th time she done washed them, so first time she put vinegar in the water, so this should. Alright, y'all, hold on.
See how clean the water is.
Okay, that's number 6 time she washed them, y'all, so they're good and clean.
Okay. So they are very clean. I'm done with that.
Okay, here's a broth for the greens. She used smoked turkey, 1 smoked turkey leg, 1 turkey tail, and she put garlic powder, complete seasoning, and onion powder in there so far. Hold on, y'all. She put onions and some bell peppers, and she still has some more bell pepper and onions to put in it.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this kitchen. This is 2025. Thanksgiving season, cooking time for everyone that's going to be cooking. Everyone, and I know the ladies and gentlemen that's cooking today, they're going to be very happy with the dinners that they're going to be serving from Thanksgiving Day to their family members or their friends or whatever they're going to be doing. It's so nice to know that we are here for another Thanksgiving Day to enjoy your family and your friends, whatever it takes to do. This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Now I'm getting ready to do, I've already washed my collard greens and I'm getting ready to put them on in the turkey legs and turkey tail or whatever you want to call it. So it has boiled a little bit and I've got all of my ingredients in it already. So the greens, I've washed them about 6 times. They wasn't very dirty, but I've already washed it and I already took my stems out. So now I'm getting ready to put them in the pot and I will be putting the top on them. So these are very good. And I'm going to be putting a little bit of onions in them just shortly after I get started here. And I hope everyone is going to be having a wonderful day. And I hope everyone, I know the ladies and the gentlemen that's cooking, they're going to be very tired, but they're going to enjoy their guests tomorrow. And it's wonderful to enjoy your guests. Whenever you have time to enjoy them, enjoy your family or your friends during those blessed days that God have provided for us to enjoy. Thanksgiving is a day for us to enjoy each other, family members, friends, and neighbors, or whoever. But don't forget the ones that don't have anyone. Take them a plate or tell them to come over and have a plate or see that what their needs are. Because this is the day that we are supposed to be thankful, and we should be thankful with everyone around us, our home, our family, and our neighbors. Be in the community. See if everyone has something. If they don't, and if you have a little bit more, provide them a plate. It's so nice to know that we can do this because there's so many people don't have anything. And if I knew someone today that don't have anything, I would love to go and give them a plate because that's the way God intended for us to do, to be thankful. And I am thankful. And I know that God has blessed me, and I know He's blessing someone else also. And so be thankful for what we have. So I'm putting my greens in, and I have another little handful before I put the top on. I have just a few more. I'm going to see can I put them in. I may have to wait a minute or two till they cook down just shortly. And I'll get the, I have about another handful. I don't think I'll be able to get them in there before I put the top on. I have just a few more. I'm going to see can I put them in. I may have to wait a minute or two till they cook down just shortly. And I'll get the, I have about another handful. I don't think I'll be able to get them in there. Okay. So this is the last little handful that I'm going to be putting on. And I'm going to be putting the top on them. And then it's shortly, when they start to get a boil, I will kind of come and flip them over a little bit. So this is my collard greens for I'm going to put, this is a apple cider vinegar. And I'm going to put a capful in to the greens, okay? All right.
We'll be back.
I'm going to pour a tablespoon of honey. And I'm going to put it in my greens also. Okay. Alrighty. Now I'm getting ready to put that in the greens.
Yeah, she's gonna put a top on it before she turn the greens over if you need. So she put a cap full of apple cider vinegar. She put 1 tablespoon of honey, and she made a broth with 1 smoked turkey leg and 1 smoked turkey tail, and she put onions in, 2 bell peppers in, and she'll finish the other onions and bell pepper once it get almost done. We'll be back.
Okay. Up a little bit too high. Set it down just a little bit because all the water's popping out. Okay. So I'm turning it over just a little bit, you guys. So now I can kind of push it down in here. Now I can put my top on. All right. Thank you. I'll be back in shortly, dear. Okay, everyone. I am back. And I am so glad to let you know I have my collard greens completed. And this is my final presentation. And they are so good. Okay. They are so delicious. But they are for dinner tomorrow. And I will not be eating them today. But you will see me in the next video with them on. And we will have them for dinner.
Y'all, this is 3 bunches of greens, and that's all Daddy cooked. 3 big bunches of greens, and it's all he cooked this little pan. But it's okay, because it's not that many of us going to be here tomorrow anyway. Probably about 5 people, so.
Okay. So, thank you. Thank you. But the greens are so good. Mm-hmm. If I had thought about it, I would have bought more. But, you know, they were so pretty in the store. And I started not to buy any, but I said, oh, I've got to buy 3 anyway. Buy a few. But I really wished I had got 6 or more. But if I fail to go back, I will get some more and put them in the freezer because they are very good. They're very fresh and they have a very good taste to them. So thank you all so much. And I hope you will enjoy your collard greens and I hope you will enjoy the video that will come. Watch the video and you will see how we prepared them. Thank you so much. With all my love. This is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Thank you so much. Goodbye, everyone.
Y'all, please like the video. It don't cost nothing to like the video. We would definitely appreciate it. It definitely helps Miss Lena when you like the videos.
I hope you will like, subscribe, and share with someone else. Thank you. Goodbye now.